whoever has the best footage of high octane or 8 slot in the premium yellow, if you have a system that we put in for you or you bought materials from us, we want you to enter this contest. We want a video, and I need it for YouTube, so hold your phone sideways. Don't hold it vertically. And I will pick the best footage during a torrential rain of one of our systems, or Boffman high octane, or the premium yellow. And after the new year, we are going to pick the winner, and they're going to get $1,000 for standing out in the rain.